Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a small coffee shop right before closing time. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two baristas, Leo and Sophie, and the customers who come in just before closing. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many customers came to the coffee shop right before closing time? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Okay, only 30 minutes left. I think we can finish our work early tonight.
I hope so. It has been a quiet day.
Let's start with the chairs. Chairs up. That means we're almost done.
I actually love this part. It always feels like the day is really over.
Really? I never thought about it that way.
Yes, when the chairs go up on the tables, my brain says work is finished.
That's a nice way to think about it. I usually just think about my feet.
Your feet?
They're so tired right now. Standing all day is not easy.
I know. But look, the floor is almost clean too.
Good. Can you clean the counter while I finish the chairs?
Sure. I will also check the milk in the fridge.
Thanks. If we're lucky, no one will come in tonight.
Don't say that. You might be wrong.
No, I really think tonight will be easy. Look, the street is empty.
Maybe, but coffee shops can always surprise us.
True. Still, I have a good feeling about tonight.
Okay, I will trust you. Let's keep working then.
Can you turn off the music soon? It usually helps people understand we are closing.
Good idea. I will turn it down first, then off later.
Perfect. And I'll wipe the tables after the chairs are up.
This place looks so different at night. Quiet and calm.
Yes, I like this time of day. No noise, no rush.
Me too. It feels calm, even with the work.
Almost done with the chairs now. Just 2 more tables.
Great. The counter is almost finished too.
We're actually moving fast tonight.
I told you it has been a quiet day.
Let's hope it stays this way until we close the door.
I hope so. 10 more minutes and then we can go home.
That would be amazing. I really want an early night for once.
Me too. I really want to sleep soon.
Hi there. Welcome in. What can I get you tonight?
Hi, let me see. There are so many choices.
Take your time. We have a few more minutes before we close.
Okay, maybe a latte or a hot chocolate.
Both are great choices. It really depends on your mood.
My mood is tired, but also a little hungry.
Then maybe something sweet could help.
True. What do you usually like here?
Our caramel latte is popular, but the mocha is also very nice.
Caramel or mocha? This is so hard for me.
Don't worry at all. Take your time. People who come here often don't even have to tell us. We just know.
Really? That's funny. I wish I knew my own order that well.
It happens with time. Some people come in every single day.
Wow. Every day? That's a lot of coffee.
Yes, but they always look happy when they leave.
Okay, I think I will try the caramel latte.
Good choice. Hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a little cold outside tonight.
I agree. Anything else with that? Maybe a small snack?
Oh, do you have any cookies left?
We have one chocolate cookie. It's the last one.
Perfect. I will take it. Thank you for waiting for me.
No problem at all. It's part of my job.
I always feel bad when I take a long time to decide.
Please don't. We want you to choose something you really like.
That's very kind. Okay, 1 caramel latte and 1 cookie.
Got it. That will be $5.50.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I will make your latte right now.
Thank you so much for waiting tonight.
Of course, everyone needs a moment to think sometimes.
You made a hard decision feel easy. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your latte and your cookie.
I will. Have a good rest of your night.
You too. Get home safe.
Oh, one more question before I go.
Sure, go ahead.
What time do you open tomorrow?
We open at 7 in the morning every day.
Perfect. I might come back for breakfast.
We would love to see you again.
Maybe next time I will decide faster.
Don't worry at all. We enjoy the visit either way.
Hi, sorry, I'm in a big hurry. Can I order quickly?
Of course. What can I get you?
A large coffee black and a small espresso too.
2 drinks. Got it. Anything else?
Yes, actually one more. A cappuccino extra hot.
Okay, 3 drinks now. Large black coffee, small espresso, and a hot cappuccino.
That's right. My friends from work are waiting in the car.
No problem. I will start making them now.
Thank you. I know it's almost closing time.
It's fine. We still have a few minutes.
Thank you so much. This day has been so long.
I understand. Long days need good coffee.
Exactly. We have one more meeting tonight.
A meeting at this hour? That sounds tiring.
It is, but it's important, so we can't skip it.
I put a little hot water through the machine. It washes away old coffee, so the next cup tastes better.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's smart.
Yes, it keeps the old coffee from mixing with the new coffee.
Makes sense. I never thought about how much work is behind one cup.
There's more than people think. Okay, your espresso is ready.
Great, thank you. How about the coffee?
Almost done. Just 1 more minute.
No rush. Well, actually a little rush.
I understand. Here is your large black coffee.
Perfect. And the cappuccino?
Right here, extra hot, just like you asked.
Thank you so much. You are really fast.
I try my best, especially near closing time.
How much do I owe for everything?
That will be $9 in total.
Here you go. Thank you for the fast service.
You're welcome. I'm glad it was quick for you.
Thank you for the quick service. I have to run now.
Good luck with your meeting tonight.
Thanks, I will need it. Have a good night.
You too. Drive safe. Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is closing, meaning the time when a shop stops working for the day. For example, the store's closing time is 10 p.m. The second word is counter, meaning the long table where you order or pay. For example, she put her coffee on the counter. The third word is register, meaning a machine that keeps and counts money. For example, he counted the money in the register. The fourth word is customer, meaning a person who buys something from a shop. For example, a new customer walked into the cafe. The fifth word is hurry, meaning
to do something quickly because of little time. For example, sorry, I am in a hurry today. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Leo and Sophie at the coffee shop counter.
Okay, the door is quiet now. Time to count the register.
Good. Let's see how much we made today.
I always counted twice, just to be safe.
That's smart. Numbers can be hard at the end of the day.
Exactly. One small mistake and the numbers won't match.
I will write down what you count as you go.
Okay, let's start with the paper money.
Got it. How much is that one?
$40. Now let me count the coins.
Take your time. I'm ready to write it down.
This is the easy part of the night, actually.
I agree. No customers, no rush, just numbers.
Speaking of customers, do you think we are really done?
I hope so. We still have 2 or 3 minutes before we close.
So, is that it? Was Oliver really our last customer tonight?
I think so. The street looked empty when I checked.
Good. Let's keep counting until it's time to close.
Almost there. Just the coins left.
Okay, here we go. $5, $10, $15 in coins.
That matches what I expected. Nice work tonight.
Thanks. We really did move fast today.
We did, even with Grace taking her time to order.
True, but she was very sweet about it.
She was. Okay, so are we really finished for tonight?
I think so. Let's lock the register and get everything ready to close.
Sounds good. I'll count the last coins with you.
Perfect. Then we can finally close everything up.
I hope nobody else walks in now.
Don't say that. You might make it come true.
Okay. Let's just finish quietly.
Here, hold this stack of coins for a second.
Got it. Where does the money go after we count it?
It goes in a small bag right here under the counter.
Right, I remember now. It's been a while since I closed alone.
True, you usually work the morning hours.
I do. Closing feels different, quieter somehow.
Fair point. Okay, the bag is ready to put away.
I'll put it away while you clean the counter one more time.
Sounds good. Almost there, I promise.
Great. We're almost finished for tonight.
Oh, good. You're still open. I really need a coffee.
Hi there. Yes, we can still help you. What would you like?
Just a small coffee, please. You would not believe the day I had.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, first, my car would not start this morning.
That sounds very hard.
It was. Then my neighbor helped me, but we were both late for work.
I'm sorry to hear that. Your small coffee is next.
And then, at work, my computer stopped working too.
Wow, that's a lot for one day.
It really is. My manager was not happy about it either.
Well, I should probably start closing soon.
And then my lunch fell on the floor. Can you believe it?
That's, really unlucky.
I know. I had to eat crackers from my bag instead.
Here's your coffee, by the way.
Oh, thank you so much. This smells amazing already.
I'm glad. So will that be all for tonight?
Actually, my afternoon was even worse. Do you have a minute?
Well, I should probably start closing the counter now.
It started raining right when I left the office, and I forgot my umbrella.
That does sound like a hard day.
Then the bus was late, and I had to wait in the rain for 10 minutes.
I'm really sorry. That doesn't sound nice at all.
It was. My shoes are still a little wet. Look.
I see that. Maybe the coffee will help you feel warmer.
I hope so. You are very kind to listen to all this.
Of course. Happy to help. I should let you go now, though.
Oh, one more thing. My sister called me during the bus ride.
Oh, really? I should probably start cleaning the tables now.
She wants to visit next month, so that's some good news at least.
That is good news. A nice ending to a hard day.
You're right. Thank you for listening and for the coffee.
You're very welcome. I hope your night gets better from here.
I think it already has. Good night.
Good night. Get home safe, especially with those wet shoes.
I will. Actually, wait, one very last thing before I go.
Sure, what is it?
Do you know if it will keep raining tonight?
I'm not sure, but you might want to check your phone.
Good idea. I always forget to check the weather.
It happens to everyone sometimes.
True. Okay, I really am leaving this time. Thank you again.
No trouble at all. Good night. Get home safe.
Finally, I think Nora was really our last customer.
I heard most of her story, too.
It was a lot, but she seemed nice.
She did. Just a very long day for her.
True. Okay, let's turn off the lights.
Wait, did we turn off the coffee machine?
Yes, I turned it off a few minutes ago.
Good. Then I think we are ready to go.
What a night! We really thought tonight would be quick.
I know. First Grace, then Oliver, then Nora.
We had 3 very different last customers tonight.
That's a good way to put it.
Grace could not pick her drink,
Oliver needed 3 drinks in 1 minute.
and Nora needed a friend more than coffee.
That's true, but we helped everyone in the end.
We did. I'm proud of how we did it tonight.
Me too. Let's hope tomorrow is a simpler night.
I hope so too, but you never really know.
True. This job can always surprise us.
That's part of why I like it, actually.
Okay, lights are off. Ready to lock up?
Ready. Let's go home and rest.
Good night, coffee shop. See you tomorrow morning. Early as always.
See you then. Sleep well tonight.
You too. Good night, Leo.
Good night, Sophie.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many customers came to the coffee shop right before closing time? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.